So today we're taking a look at the all-in-one, the ultimate alarm clock ever. It's an alarm clock, it's a night light, it's a Bluetooth speaker, it's a sound machine. Instead of spending four different money for buying four different machine or two machine, every single thing in this one machine. Gorgeous wood style frame coming around right through. Digital time, look at that, it's all digital engraved in there, and the lights at the bottom, all colorful lights. Really beautiful alarm clock, high-tech and gorgeous, outstanding alarm clock made well. You could dim the lights at the bottom, you could dim this light in the front like this right here. See that? You could put it all the way low, or you could put it all the way bright. It's up to you what you want to do. You could control the sound from the speakers. You could control the rain. You got different rainfall of sound machine. You have waterfall, rainfall, and everything like that. You have a lot. You could dimmer the bottom lights here, the top light right here. You could set alarm. You could set time. You have all the different lights at the bottom right here. Look at that. It's amazing. They did above and beyond with this alarm clock. You could do so much stuff with it. It's check in the description box for price and details, and get yourself an amazing all-in-one digital alarm clock, sound machine, Bluetooth speaker, everything right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos on Product Zone, 100% free.